Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Evolution. If you're looking for ways to boost your productivity in school and at work, you're in the right place. Today we're going to be diving into the top 5 secret ChatGPT prompts that will completely change how you use AI. These aren't your typical tips, they're powerful game-changing prompts that can save you tons of time and energy, so stick around because you won't want to miss this. Especially in today's economy, we all have trouble finding jobs, so let's kick things off with something that could really give your job applications a boost: the resume enhancer. So what you're going to do is you're going to give ChatGPT a job description and your resume, and then you can actually ask it to tailor your resume for that specific role. It'll end up highlighting your key skills and achievements, adjusting the wording to better fit what employers are actually looking for, and this prompt can actually make you stand out in a sea of applications. So I'm going to go ahead and input the prompt here, and of course all the prompts will be linked down below in that video description, so go ahead and look down there so you can easily copy and paste those into ChatGPT. Now the first prompt, I'm going to write it out here, is rewrite my resume to align with this, and then in parentheses you're going to put job description, focusing on my strengths in leadership and communication. And of course, those strengths can be tailored to you, so it doesn't have to be leadership and communication. It can be whichever strengths that you really feel like you identify with, and you can go ahead and just input those at the bottom of the prompt there. In today's competitive job market, standing out is crucial, and hiring managers receive tons of applications for every job, so having a resume that speaks directly to the job you're applying for can make a world of a difference. Tailoring your resume with the help of ChatGPT ensures that you highlight the right skills and experience, and creating a descriptive job application that actually stands out. Next, let's talk about your schoolwork, or just work in general. If you're struggling with studying or condensing information, ChatGPT can be your personal study buddy. You can give it notes from class and it'll break them down into easy to understand summaries, quiz questions, or even flashcards. And again, I'm going to go ahead and just type in the prompt here: summarize my notes on parentheses topic and create 5 quiz questions for review. And this prompt is just so important, and it helped me a lot through high school, because with the fast pace of modern education and the overwhelming amount of information we need to process, studying effectively is more important than ever, and ChatGPT will help you break down these complex topics into bite-sized pieces, making your studying more efficient. Whether you're juggling multiple assignments or prepping for a big test, this tool really does help you manage your time and retain more information, which will really help you in your school. And moving on, we have the Meeting Agenda Maker, and this is one for all those professionals out there, whether they be employers or just simple regular workers. If you need some help planning a meeting, presentation, or even scheduling, ChatGPT can actually generate a professional agenda based on your meeting's goals. So the example prompt I'm going to type in here is create a meeting agenda for a parentheses team project update, including time allocations and discussion points. And what this is going to do is it's going to help you create an efficient meeting plan, which is key to productivity in the modern workplace, and having that clear agenda ensures that everyone is on the same page and that your meetings don't run off track. ChatGPT helps you schedule meetings quickly, ensuring that you maximize time and keep everyone focused on the most important topics. I know you guys struggle with creativity just as much as I do. The modern pace of life is just so busy, and sometimes it's hard to actually get those ideas out onto paper. And when you're feeling stuck, ChatGPT can help be a creativity booster with its idea generator prompt. And whether you need fresh ideas for a school project, business proposal, or even a YouTube video topic, just feed it your criteria and it'll come up with innovative suggestions. I'm going to type in this prompt here: generate 5 creative project ideas for a YouTube video about, and then in parentheses you're going to put your topic. And you can see here it's going to help me generate this. And in a world where creativity drives innovation, having access to a tool that can quickly generate ideas is invaluable. Whether you're in school or running a business, brainstorming fresh, unique ideas can be challenging, and it'll help you spark your new thinking and explore angles you might not have considered, giving you an edge when it comes to standing out in a crowded space. Last but not least, we have my personal favorite, the email assistant. If you're tired of spending hours drafting professional emails, this prompt is definitely for you. It can write, edit, and even suggest the best tone for your emails, whether you're sending a formal business email, a casual follow-up to a coworker, etc., etc. And I'm going to go ahead and type in this example prompt here: write a professional follow-up email to a potential client after a meeting, expressing interest in their feedback. And this has saved me multiple times when I've been in my job or even previous jobs, because effective communication is definitely the key in both school and the workplace, and emails are often the primary mode of communication there because it's more formal. And with ChatGPT, you can quickly draft well-written emails that convey your message clearly and professionally, saving you time and ensuring you make a great impression. It's a huge productivity boost, especially for those who struggle with writing like I do. So there you have it, 5 secret ChatGPT prompts you need to know for school and work. These are simple yet powerful ways to boost your productivity and impress anyone you work with. Which one are you going to try first? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and let me know if you guys have any more prompts you'd like me to try, or any more video ideas relating to AI, tech, ChatGPT prompts, things like that. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, ring the bell so you never miss a tip from Tech Evolution. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.